Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5068861, because of this error code, that is 0x80070003. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click on background intelligent and then click on restart. Now find app readiness in the list. So here you can see app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause and then click on resume updates. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5068861. Click on search. Now, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And over here, you can see in my case, the version is 25H2. Check your version, then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Here you can see system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. Now over here, you will see KB5068861. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, run this file, and you can install this update manually. Once done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. Use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Now fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept over here. And then by default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once the download is complete, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.